Let's talk about what anxiety actually is. So, at its core, anxiety is your reaction to the perception of danger, particularly physical danger. So, if you were standing on the edge of a skyscraper, your brain would immediately register risk. Your nervous system would activate, thoughts would fire, sensations would surge through your body. That response isn't a flaw, it's survival. And this matters because emotions aren't random or pointless. Emotions serve a function. Anxiety exists to protect us. It's evolved to keep us away from cliffs and predators and speeding cars, real threats that could actually harm us. And to do that effectively, emotions don't just live in the mind. They live in the body too. If anxiety were only a thought, it wouldn't move you to act. It needs sensation. It needs urgency. It needs to get your attention. So this is where things get confusing because there are actually 3 different processes happening. They often get blended together. Subscribe and like. Let me teach you how to be happier.